guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am gonna play something similar to Dress to Impress. So the name is Old Money. Old Money is like something aesthetic that looks the pattern in Dress to Impress, the brown. Yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna pick which one I would like to wear with Old Money. So here's the clothing area. I did not play this before, so don't judge me. I do not know where the thing is. So for Old Money, I don't know what to wear. Yeah, like this pattern, but I'm not gonna wear that. So we're gonna find something like Old Money. Something like this, but no, I won't do this. So I'm gonna find a hair first to go with Old Money. The name is Old Money, so I don't know if everyone knew what Old Money is. I'm gonna pick this character. There you go. I don't know where's the face area. I think it's right over here. I don't know. Oh, it's skin tones. I don't want my skin. Okay, that's skin. Okay. Faces. Actually, this. Oh no, maybe not. This. It's like an Old Money vibes. It's very vibing, the Old Money. So I'm gonna pick the accessories. Oh my god, this one is so good. Oh no. Maybe I shouldn't go for accessories. I'm gonna go to the pasta. Come on. This game is like this. Old Money vibes. This. Ooh. Time is out. Oh my god. Sorry for my style. So tight. This look pretty. Yeah, this look pretty. Maybe I'll give it a 3. Because that's not very old money. Oh my god, here I am. So that's not very Old Money. I'm gonna be honest, it's not pretty and it's not bad. Sorry for my voice. My brother is screaming. I'm very sorry. So, this is it. My goodness. I don't think that's Old Money, so I'm gonna give it a 2. I hope I win because I don't think that's Old Money. But the top is giving very Old Money vibes. I don't know. Guys, why are they wearing a dress? I don't know. It's not Old Money. Why are you guys wearing this? Why are you guys? Give it a 2. I don't know about me. I don't know about the body distribution. Hello. So, we're here for round 2. We're here for round 2. Oh, this dress looks so pretty. I can get it. Oh my, I remember this dim on Dressed Impress Los at Sea. Yeah, I remember that. So I'm gonna pick a t-shirt because it's with a t-shirt like that. And then let's pick some accessories to put on my head because I think this is only for heads. So I don't think do we have accessories here. So let's pick others. So this is bags. I don't know if you those at seeing with the bag. So make it some shoe. Maybe not that shoe. Maybe not that. Oh, this is perfect. Looks so cute. So I picked this because like it's like when you rented a house at the sea, at the side of the sea, and then you're gonna sleep, and then the wave, and then you got to go to the sea for some fresh air, and then they will take you out of the long of the other side, so you're lost now. Like that, you get it? I don't know if I get it. This blue looks so cute. I love these dresses. So, I know something like this at the sea. Oh, I love this. So, yeah, I don't know which. If it is this. I don't really know what they were. Maybe this. Because this game, I don't know, they don't have something like, I don't know. So, come back. I'm gonna post this video. Please come back when the runway is done. So the fashion show has begun since I saw earlier. And I didn't think that is the Dimnos at Sea. I will do something. I think she left. Like, I don't know what to wear. Like, proper outfit for this dim. So, there you go. Oh my god. That's it. So, after this round, so we're just gonna do 2 rounds. So after this round, I'm gonna turn off the recording because maybe I think I'll post tomorrow. So about the outfit hat, I'm just gonna post it later. Pretty. Except the dress, it is pretty, but let's see. So after this, I am gonna play Dress to Impress. Tomorrow, I'm gonna post it tomorrow. Okay. I hope the fashion show is so amazing. It is for me, so we're gonna get this done. Did they want an second? Gonna say thank you. Oh. Here we go. So bye. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification button for the next coming video, and make sure to like the video.